Yo!
What up, dude?
New scooter?
E-bike.
Box is too small though, no?
Mini.
Alright, let's go! Where's the knife?
I got it, bro. It's okay.
Let me help, dude.
Bro, I got it, man. Just watch it afterwards.
Man!
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing/review video. MIHOGO has reached out to me, so shout out to MIHOGO. This e-bike is supposed to be super small, hence the name Mini. I can't wait to unbox this and take it on a test ride and give you guys my honest opinion. This should be very, very interesting. So as always, I'm gonna unbox this thing, get it all set up, and then we'll take it from there. Let's go! Alright, all finished up. Look at this thing. It's so cool. Such a cool e-bike, such a cool concept. Very cool frame design. This thing is so small. I still gotta adjust like the handlebars to fit me well. But you can actually adjust them up and down to suit your needs or your height. And same goes with the seat. Super cool. One thing I really like is it comes with this crazy little mini toolkit. I'll do a little close-up on this so you guys can see. Crazy multi-tool. Also comes with tire spoons. Super crazy. And some, I guess, patches if you get a flat. And rubber repair glue for the patches. Pretty nice, small little touch, but adds a lot of value. I like stuff like this. I like when companies take the time to do things like this. And obviously we have the charger. This is a 2-amp charger. So as always, I'm gonna let this thing fully charge, and then I'm gonna hit the street and talk about all the specs. See you guys in a bit.
Alright guys, here we are outside. Man, I can't get over how cool this thing looks. It just looks so cool. The design of this bike is so crazy. But let's get started. Go ahead and get on this bike. Starting procedure. Just turn on the button for a few seconds and it turns on. We got a nice 2.4-inch color display, which is pretty nice. This is the nicest display I've ever seen on any of the e-bikes I've ever reviewed or owned. Starting, you got 5 different speed modes. It starts on 0, which is no power. Let's go ahead and try 1 just to see how fast it is. It's gonna be probably very mellow, super chill. Looks like about 5-6 miles an hour. Pretty chill, too chill for me. Let's go to 2 just to see how much faster we get. And we're up to 8 miles an hour according to the screen. Alright, let's pop it into 3 and see what speed we get. I'm assuming 10. Yup. Screen shows 11, but this feels like 10 miles an hour. Super chill, very small increments. Let's go to number 4. 13, 14 miles an hour. Not bad. And then we got number 5, which would give us the maximum speed over here. They say it goes about 19 miles an hour, but let me turn around. Kind of ran out of road over here. Still showing 18, 19. So 19 miles an hour. This is what they advertise. This is what the screen shows. And again, this is not like a speed machine. This is more of like a laid back bike. If you take it to the beach, on a boardwalk or something, this is super nice. The maneuverability on this thing is insane. It's so small and light. Super lightweight. Throttle response is pretty nice. We have half twist throttle over here. Pretty cool. Or you can use the pedals. I think it takes like 4 revolutions or something like that for the pedal assist to kick in. so you can just pedal it, and there is no difference pedals or throttle. You'll reach the same top speed, so no difference there. There is no gears on this bike, it's just one single gear. The seating position is pretty nice, and it's all adjustable, so you can change the height of the handlebars to suit you or your height, go higher or lower. Same with the seat. I got it at a pretty comfortable position right now. The handlebar is super small, and man, I can't get over how maneuverable this thing is. Super nice. But let me stop over here, and then we'll talk about some of the specs of this bike. So this is the MIHOGO Mini. It has a 350 watt hub motor in the rear, coupled with a 48 volt 16 amp hour battery. MIHOGO claims that this will do about 60 miles. Obviously that has a lot to do with what speed mode you're in. We have 12-inch tires that are so, look at these things, they're so small, it's crazy. There is front suspension, not a lot of travel on it, but there's still a front fork, which makes the ride a lot nicer, and that's pretty nice to have. As far as weight, this thing is super light. It's 41 pounds without the battery. That is crazy. Definitely one of the lightest e-bikes I've ever reviewed by far. And because of its frame design, they claim that it can hold up a weight of 440 pounds. That is insane. That is a lot. As I mentioned, it has an adjustable seat. You just undo this little latch over here. The seat can go up and down. Same thing for the handlebar. It has an adjustable handlebar, and the handlebar folds as well. If you use this latch and open it up, it folds into the frame. That's pretty cool. It has front and rear mechanical disc brakes. We have a front light, and it has this rear brake light, which is pretty crazy. A small bike like this has a brake light, an active brake light, and my Sauron doesn't have a brake light. That is pretty crazy. Other than that, it comes with these cool little foot pegs that you can put either in the back or in the front. It comes with this additional seat that you can put between the frame up here for a child, and then that kid can put their feet onto the foot pegs over here, which is pretty cool. It also has this really cool color display, as I mentioned earlier. It also comes with its own app, which can actually connect to the screen for navigation and show you the upcoming turns that you have to make. It connects to the screen. That's pretty unique. I've never seen that. That is pretty awesome. And we have this nice little bell to warn people that you're coming. It's a cool little mini bike that's super transportable. You could take it wherever you want. And yeah, for $449, that's an amazing deal for the amount of value you're getting over here. Pretty crazy. I think the regular price is closer to like $700 or $800. So $449, that's pretty cool. I will leave links in the description about how to get this bike if you're interested. But enough talking for now. Those were the specs. Let's go for a little ride and see what we think about this bike. So let's get back on this thing. And actually, one thing I do want to try is let's stop for a second and see how accurate this speedometer is. So pull out my phone and let's see how accurate this thing is. Not far off. Screen shows 19. My phone shows 18. I tend to agree with the phone more. So about a mile off, that's not bad at all. I mean, this is considered a class 2 e-bike according to California's DMV website, and I'll put that up on the screen. This is considered a class 2 e-bike, so you can pretty much ride it anywhere. No, you're good. It's too much power. You know, I don't want to fly. Thank you, I will. Alright, dude, I cannot get over the maneuverability of this thing. Like, it's so agile. Like, it's so much fun to ride. So far, this is sweet little ride, you know what I mean? And I love the portability of it. You know, it's fairly light. They kind of advertise it, MIHOGO advertises this bike as like the most lightweight, and without the batteries, 41 pounds, which is really light. And even with the battery, it's still like you can lift it into your car, no problem. especially once you fold the handlebars, put it in the back of the SUV and just go anywhere. I'm sure this might even probably fit in the back of like a Prius, you know what I mean? I'm pretty sure this thing can, if you use the like me, I put the pegs, the extra pegs that it comes with on the rear, right? So I put it like back here, and if you use the pegs, you can like lift it up no problem. Like right away it wants to lift, you know what I mean? So I'm sure if somebody had a little bit more talent than me, they would be able to wheelie this thing. But yeah, this is a nice little e-bike, especially for the price point. As I mentioned, I will have all that information in the description box if you guys are interested in checking this out. You would also be supporting the channel if you do decide to get this bike for yourself. Let's ask him if he wants to race. You trying to race? Take care, bro. That was funny. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this MIHOGO Mini. Super affordable, lightweight, cool little e-bike. If you guys enjoy this type of content, definitely help me out by leaving a like, a comment, and if you want to see more of this stuff, then definitely consider subscribing. But that's pretty much it for me, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll catch you on the next one.